Hello, B2 English learners, and welcome back to Unlock B2 English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mark. Today we have a really important episode for anyone who wants to sound more natural and confident when speaking.
Absolutely, Mark. We're tackling two of the most challenging sounds for many of our listeners, especially those with a Spanish-speaking background, the TH sound and the R sound.
That's right. So for our scaffolding pre-listen today, we want you to think about these two sounds. The TH can be voiced, like in this and that, or unvoiced, like in think and thanks. And the R sound can be tricky at the beginning of words, like read, or in the middle, like in carry.
Our goal today is to give you the tools and the practice to master these sounds. You'll learn the correct mouth position and get a chance to repeat words and phrases with us.
Before we dive in, think about this. Which of these two sounds, TH or R, gives you more trouble when you speak English?
Keep that question in mind as we go through the exercises. Let's start with the TH sound.
Okay, let's talk about the TH. Many people try to make it sound like a T or a D or even an S or F, but the key is to use your tongue and your teeth.
Exactly. For the TH sound, you need to gently place the tip of your tongue between your top and bottom front teeth. Don't push too hard, just let it touch.
And then you have two options, the unvoiced TH and the voiced TH.
For the unvoiced TH, like in think, you push air out without using your vocal cords. It's just air. Let's practice some words. Think, thanks, path, mouth.
Now for the voiced TH, like in this, you do the same thing with your tongue, but you turn on your voice. You should feel a vibration in your throat. Let's try it. This, that, them, father, mother.
Excellent. Now let's move on to the R sound. For many learners, this is a real challenge because it's so different from the R in Spanish.
That's so true. The English R is not a rolled R. The key is that your tongue should not touch the roof of your mouth.
That's the most important tip. The back of your tongue should be high in your mouth, but the tip should not touch anything. It's almost as if you're pulling your tongue back a little.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. Red, right, try, drive.
And what about when the R is in the middle or at the end of a word?
Great question. In many accents like American English, the R is pronounced at the end of words like car and teacher. In British English, it's often silent unless it's followed by a vowel sound. For our B2 learners, it's good to be aware of both. Let's practice with the American R, car, teacher, brother.
Now, let's put it all together in some sentences. Mark, would you like to read the first one?
Of course. Repeat after me. They think that the right route is the road through the thick forest.
Excellent. That's a good one to practice. Now for your weekly challenge. Take a short paragraph from a book or a news article, read it aloud, paying special attention to the TH and R sounds. Record yourself and listen back to see where you can improve.
That's a fantastic challenge, Sarah. The key is to actively listen to your own pronunciation.
Remember, consistency is key. A little bit of practice every day will make a huge difference.
That's it for this episode of Unlock B2 English. We hope you found this guide useful.
See you next time for our next episode, which is 10 essential phrasal verbs for the workplace.
Don't miss it.